Late in 1964, Bloomfield Industries joined Beatrice Foods. The company operates this modern plant on Chicago's southwest side, which has almost 6 acres under one roof. Let's see what goes on under that roof. Since 1935, Bloomfield has been in the business of manufacturing keys to the kitchen, equipment for storing, preparing, mixing, and the carriage of foods. Shown here is the distinguished Swedish Regent line of superb table service, every item fit for a king and queen. Among the 800 Bloomfield products is a full line of gleaming equipment for the modern soda fountain, perfect service for Meadow Gold ice cream, of course. Bloomfield produces only essentials, no novelties, but each is distinguished by dignified styling and quality, such as this gourmet serviette. These products, and many more, originate from this roll of stainless steel. Only the finest, non-magnetic stainless steel with the highest corrosion resistance is used. This 2,100-pound roll is worth $1,000. Here, blanks are stamped out by a 100-ton press at the rate of 1,500 per hour. The next step is drawing or forming these pans, called bain-maries, on these huge 750-ton presses. 2 of the stages are shown here, first on the left, then at the right. Now these 1-gallon steam table inset pans are polished and buffed by this complex at the rate of 300 per hour. Each is polished twice and buffed 3 times. Here, the rectangular steam table pans you see in most restaurants are being formed. This is the 7 1/2 quart size. Bloomfield has designed most of its own equipment to automate operations. These machines polish the flanges of the pans. While the machine polishes the sides of these pans, the attendant polishes the bottoms on another machine. Meanwhile, hundreds of other products are in various stages of production. Here, cocktail shakers are being formed on a flow turn machine faster than you can make a martini. This machine caps salt and pepper shakers at the rate of 4,000 per hour. More than 700 parts go into each of Bloomfield's famous Silex coffee makers for restaurants, hospitals, and other institutions. The only one of its kind on the market, it features automatic controls. Perfect coffee every time in 3 1/2 minutes. Each Bloomfield cart and serviette is made to the highest standard. This press forms the shelves. Then the shelves are welded to the upright, 36 welds per cart. Carriage and wheels, rubber bumpers for silent service, and handles are attached. Now for a final polishing to bring out the natural beauty of stainless steel. Because stainless steel is so expensive, none is wasted. This piece of scrap is turned into spoons. This 1-pound blank is cut out for this steam table pan. But the scrap is used for butter chips. Washers are made from smaller pieces. Each finished piece is washed with a special detergent that leaves no rings or watermarks. The machine cost $61,000. Inspectors check each piece, then wipe it with a special detergent that kills all bacteria. Every product of Bloomfield must meet the rigid standards of the National Sanitation Foundation, the U.S. public health laws, and the U.S. Medical Corps. Whether it appears on Silex restaurant equipment, Bloomfield food service products, Hospiware products, or Vicor products for the home, the Bloomfield trademark stands for the highest quality